I was completely awestruck of the facilities, of the amenities, of the infrastructure, of how completely home automation was blended with nature. Hi, my name is Kiran and I'm born and raised in the city of Bangalore. It's always a dream to get a house in your own hometown, right? So I wanted to have a place which is like a little away from the hustle of the city and also keeps me connected to the city, not going completely extreme or too far. So having looked upon different properties, I kind of got to know about Purva Atmosphere, and my first visit at Purva Atmosphere, I was completely awestruck of the facilities, of the amenities, of the infrastructure, of how completely home automation was blended with nature. First, about the inbuilt technology, they have sensor-enabled lighting system. This is the BlueNext automated system in itself, where everything is automated, right from turning off lights to switching on fan to turning on the AC, or the curtains shutting in and shutting out and turning on the TV. So all of these automation itself, and the detailing that went into each of the the way the infrastructure was constructed, the way it was explained, right from the marble, the marble setting, to the wall, to the water in itself. The couple of other things that stood out for me was the availability of drinking water in the kitchen tap, which is like you'd barely find that in any of the apartments these days. Most important part was the Purva air purifier. You would want to live in a vicinity where the air is of good quality for yourself and for the family. So that is precisely why I went for Purva Atmosphere, and I decided to put in all my savings as an investment into Purva Atmosphere with no looking back and no doubts whatsoever in my mind. So absolutely loved the property.